Hi and welcome to the video. This is a quick introduction to our Discord trading room. There's two sections. This is the free section here under the Traders Zone. I generally post a trade idea in here every day. You're welcome to that. There's tutorials, risk sentiment reports go in here. And I mean, if you're trading Forex, crypto, indices, metals, this is a fantastic free resource for you. Now, if you want to go to the next level, we have VIP available for our members. As you can see with this post here, we're getting quite a good result with our trade signals. VIP, this is where I post the trades that I'm taking on my NT5 account. Then we have advanced trading tutorials in through here, public chat, etc. When you join, make sure you start here and go through these first. If you're looking for trade signals like this, join VIP. Head over to the website tradingwithanthony.com. It's great value, I think you'll agree. And with that, you'll have full access to my trade signals, etc. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in Discord. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.